In this video, we are going to see how we can create a dual line chart in Tableau. And for that, we need a separate sheet. We cannot use that on existing data because the pattern of cost of goods sold, profit and sales amount is approximately of the same ratio. So you will not see much difference. So in order to connect with a new Excel file, just go to the main screen or close the existing file. And after that, just click on Microsoft Excel. You can use this particular sheet for dual access. I have already used that previously. And I have copied and attached for you one more time with the resources section of this video. So let's click on open and we are going to move straight away to sheet number 1. And here we have a clean interface. Let's put some of the parameters. Let's put the month in the columns and let's put the profit, switch it to line, but just make sure to switch it to months so that you can see the lines properly, and switch it to entire view. So this one is for month and we have the profit analysis showing in the line charts. Let's put the sales as well for the other parameter. Now you will notice that both of them are shown, but it's side by side comparison. If you want to overlap one over the top of the other, what we can do is just go to the sales, and we have already done this. Let's switch it to dual access, and this will mix both of them on a single axis. So that's great, especially if you want to see the analysis where the growth is going side by side. In this case, it's too different or too wide. The comparison is too wide, but this is just for the sake of example. You can try it on your own data. And after that, we can maybe format it a little bit more. Let's say this one represents sales, right? The orange line represents sales. So what we can do is for sales, or let's say for the profit, let's switch this line type to dotted lines. Click on the path, click on dotted lines, and it will show something like this. It looks very nice and it looks very clean. Let's also put the data points here on the other one, and you can format it however you want. And since this is a dual access, for every year on our right and on our left, we can see the range starting from 0 to 65K on our left and starting from 0 to 100K on our right. But if you want to make it an equal comparison, what we can do is either on this type or either on this one. We will synchronize the access. So let's try to switch from here and synchronize that to access. So what this will do is this will make both of them 100K. Let's do the opposite, Control Z. And this time we will just right click here and click on synchronize access. So again, this will make both of them to the highest level, not to 65K. It will match it to the highest level and make both equal. So this is how we can create a dual access line chart in Tableau. By the way, guys, you will find this completed file with the resources section of this video as well. So just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.